You need to replace your road bike gear cables if they're frayed, kinked or rusty. Before beginning, make sure you have a hex key, cable cutters, the correct replacement cable, pliers, an end cap and lubrication. When you start, make sure your bike is in the highest gear, so the cable has the least amount of tension possible. Then undo the pinch bolt and release the cable. Now to remove the cable. Put on the front brake and release the external cable like this. The cable will come through here, just like so. Once this is done, ensure the power adjusters screw all the way in, like this. Now we're going to feed the new gear cable in. I'm going to add some lubrication so it goes in easily. Put the brake on, put the new gear cable in and pull it through until it sits nice and tight. Once it's in, release the brake. Now feed the rest of the cable to the pinch bolt. Put it onto the bolt and tighten the pinch bolt. Grab the cable cutters and cut the excess cable off. Then crimp on the end cap with cable cutters or pliers. Now you're done, you're ready to adjust your gears. Watch how to do that in this video. If you need more help, pop into your local Halfords and chat to a specialist in the team. They'll be more than happy to help you with your gear cables. Or to see our full range of replacement bike parts, head to the Halfords website.